Hello friends, Tony here. So welcome back. In the previous video we installed TypeScript globally in our machine, and also let me open one more time this TypeScript website. So TypeScript is JavaScript with syntax for types. TypeScript is a strongly typed programming language. So as we can see also on the name we have TypeScript. So TypeScript is all about types. But what is a type? A type is a definition assigned to a value and defines the thing that you can or cannot do with that kind of value. Okay? So one more time, a type is a definition assigned to a value and defines the thing that you can or cannot do with that kind of value. And let me copy this example in here, and I'm going to open my VS Code, and in this project right now we have only the tsconfig file. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to name it index.tx for TypeScript. Hit enter and paste right now this one, and as we can see, immediately we have the error here. So property name does not exist on type. And we have an object with first name colon string. So the first name has a type string, as you can see, because we have assigned this first name to a string. And with a TypeScript, we can see we get the error to the error very quickly when we use that variable. Okay, now let's see some examples. So for example, let's say let, and I'm going to say first name to be equal with John, but I'm going to assign this to a string. So I'm going to say colon and string, as we saw also on that error. So right now this is a string type. So as you can see, let first name is string, and as I told you previously, a type is a definition assigned to value and defines the thing that you can or cannot do with that kind of value. Now, what we can do with this value, we have assigned a type string. So for example, we can call all the string methods, because this is a string, we can call all the string methods. And let's say, for example, I'm going to say let name length to be equal with first name dot length. As you can see, we don't have any error. So we call this length method on first name because this first name is a string, and the length property returns the length of a string. But what we cannot do with this first name, because we assign a string, is we cannot call number methods. Okay, this is a string, so we cannot call number methods on a string. If I say let name the exponential to be equal with first name dot the exponential. But as you can see, we have the error here because property the exponential does not exist on type string. So we cannot call the number methods on this first name because this first name is assigned the string type. And I'm going to say here, so we can call all string methods, and I will just copy this and paste it here. We cannot call number methods. Okay, so we can call string methods on this first name because this has a string type, and we cannot call number methods on this first name because has a string type. But if and because we have error, I'm going to leave it for now. So if I create a new variable, I'm going to say my number here, and I'm going to assign the number type. Now what we can do with this is, because we assign number type, we can call all number methods on this one, and we cannot call string methods. Okay, so it's going to be an opposite of this one. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here just to save some time. We cannot call string methods, and we can call all a number methods on this one, on my number. So let's say my number length to be able with my number length. As you can see, property length does not exist on type number. And also if I change now to my number to exponential and also change here to be my number, now we don't have error here because this is my number is a type number and this is a number method. Okay, also let's see, for example, let's create here or we can say const, and I'm going to say my array. I'm going to create an array here, and yeah, we are going to assign this to an array of numbers. And what we can do, for example, here we can loop through the array and we can see that if a TypeScript is going to show error or not. So let's say my array, and as you can see, it's going to suggest us to make a for each and just say console log element. And as you can see, we don't have an error here. But if we change that to just a number and also here just a number, yeah, we have the error because property for each does not exist on type number. But if we leave an array, we don't have the error. Okay friends, that's it all about this video. I hope you enjoy, and if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share with your friends. All the best and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.